Welcome everyone, I'm Corey Ford, but you might know me as Mr. Hardwood. I'm here to take some time to share with you some of the do-it-yourself maintenance tips and tricks to help make sure that your floors last forever and look beautiful. Today, we're going to dive into the essentials of do-it-yourself floor maintenance, focusing on hardwood, engineered, luxury vinyl plank, and laminate. Let's get started. Our journey begins with daily care. A quick sweep with a microfiber mop, it can help catch that dust, that dirt, sand, grit, even the pet hair. And that's the stuff that you walk on frequently that might scratch your floors. It's a simple and effective tool that makes a big difference. Now we're going to talk about your weekly hardwood floor cleaning. I recommend the Hardwood Floor Cleaner along with the Bona microfiber mop. And this tool right here is going to help remove any grease and grime, dirt that might get on the floors and leave them beautiful. And remember, don't spray the cleaner directly onto the floor. You're much better off to spray it directly onto the microfiber mop itself. That unnecessary moisture getting onto the floor, seeping down in between the planks, it could actually cause some unnecessary damage. And for those unexpected spills, a quick response is key. Use a damp cloth to clean it up as much as you can, followed by a touch of the floor cleaner. And this is where it's especially important. Remember that too much water is the floor's worst enemy. Always use water sparingly to help prevent damage. So let's talk about do's and don'ts. Do tackle spills immediately if an accident happens, and then follow it up with a gentle floor cleaner like the Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Stay away from the bleaches and vinegars. Sometimes too much harsh chemical will cause damage to the finish. And that's how you keep your floors looking amazing with a little bit of DIY effort. But if you're up against a challenge or simply prefer a professional touch, we're here to help you with all of your flooring needs. A little polishing, buffing, and coating, we're just a phone call away. Feel free to give us a call at 678-9-FLOORS or MrHardwoodInc.com.